Assalamualaikum dear friends. Today our lecture is create and assign resources. It is easy and simple method. Just go to the enterprises. My cursor is moving. Click enterprises. Go to the resources. Click resource. Here in Primavera P6 there are lots of resources are available here, but in our project we have to create a new resources. Click add button. The resources are created, but our first activity is dummy activity. Use move button. Okay, write material. Our project name is project management unit, so we take abbreviation of project management unit, PMU. Okay, there is a column here, resource type. There are three types of resources. One is labor, second is material, and third is non-labor. Labor are the person or people working in your projects. Material are used for dead projects, and non-labor are the machines or equipment used for your project or any other construction work. Okay, we select material. Okay, the first activity is our dummy activity. Here when I choose material, bricks are visible here, appear here. Okay, click. What kind of material we use? Right, sea sand, select material type, resource type, select is unit, cubic ton, cubic lump sum. So we need about consider 6,000. Select cubic foot, we select. Okay, now down there is a, my cursor is moving, there is a tab unit and prices. Here don't touch maximum unit per time, just select price per unit, and I need about to 10,000 3,000. So I take 1,000 cubic foot, 5,000 price per unit. Okay, I select just for example 5,000 cubic per foot. This is more price. If you think it is more, just go take 100 as you wish. Sorry, 1,000, 100, 1,000 as per your project desire. Okay, or as per market you will see. This is for example, I select 1,000 cubic per foot. Okay, need new one, paver, pavers. Take paver in cubic foot, or you wish lump sum amount, want to check lump sum amount. Okay, write 1000. Okay, so sheets and pavers or material need move button to arrange in a proper manner. Now we need a labor for these works in our project. Select new dummy activity. Write labor. Okay, write your project name PMU. Okay, select labor. There is no need of unit of measurement. Maximum, how much maximum labor you work here, unit per maximum unit per time. If your company provide 2 labor, select 2. Okay, but first of all, this is a dummy activity. Now select labor, new resources. So write we need a supervisor. Write supervisor. Labor, take need 1 supervisor, maximum unit per time, need 1 supervisor, and price per unit is 1000 per day. He take 1000 per day working day. Okay, now select layout, labor, okay. So I have selected, take 1000. Okay, this is for example. If you change its price, if you officially work for your construction work, so you take the amount as per market are available. Okay, this is for only example. Use move button. Okay, layout, labor, we need about for layout, the labor need 2 labors, maximum company provide 2 labor. Okay, use move button. Okay, surface tracing, labor need 2 labor for the surface tracing, take 1000, price per 1 labor, take 1000. Okay, now add new one. Paver, paver mason 1 take 1000. Okay, now surfacing testing happen. Paver mason layout labor supervisor labor use move button. Now layout labor has a surface C send. Okay, C send right, C send labor need to maximum 2 labor, click 1000 price per unit. Okay, our resources are created. Now we have to assign them for each activity. Go to the activities. Okay, here layout, we need layout. Here is a source 8 resources for layout. Layout labor select. Okay, budget unit per is right 3, price per unit 1 3000, but we need 2 labors. Budget unit company price 2 labor, click 2000, 2% take 2000. Okay, 0.67 day working. Okay, now surface dressing labor select. Okay, laying of paver, need laying of paver mason, need paver mason. Okay, now this is the surface dressing of pavers. Before surface laying the pavers need a surface dressing. So and laying of paver, after that paver should be laying. Okay, so paver material should be need, so we write here C send and paver, selects pavers. Budget unit 40, 1000 lump sum, price per 8 per time or 40,000. Okay, if you need to change, just select take 30. Okay, the price per unit 30,000. Level of no need of level of first finish my list or layout. So we have also layout labor select. Now surface dressing C send. Surface dressing, we have the labor of surface dressing, select. Okay, laying of C need a surface dressing labor also, but also need a C send, select material. Okay, laying of natural graph, we doesn't put create resources laying of graphs. So escape this. I hope little you understand. Okay, this we create resources, and how we create resources and how we assign resources. I hope you understand. There are budget unit. If you change the unit, it price per unit date type 1000. So this budget unit per time you give show the budget unit time, and total cost of this work is also shown here. Okay, if this is 2 days work, 3 days work, 4 days work, you will understand how it will maintain. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.